Let's get the rainfall forecast from Mai Rodriguez, reporting from the Solar Weather Center. Mai, the rains here in the metro.
Hi, Pia. Well, though the rains will be heavy to torrential in northern Luzon, here in Metro Manila, we can expect just frequent, moderate to heavy rains, lighter than what we had last week. So let's go to our forecast now. Of course, all eyes are on Tropical Storm Helen right now. Expect stormy weather in northern Luzon as Helen approaches the area. It was earlier predicted to make landfall in Cagayan within 24 hours, but Pag-asa is looking at another scenario where Helen will possibly interact with an approaching westerly trough, which will alter its movement. Even then, the storm will still enhance the southwest monsoon and bring rains over Luzon and Visayas. Brace for the rains, especially over western sections. As you can see here, the estimated rainfall within the storm's 500-kilometer diameter is about 20 to 25 millimeters per hour. That's considered heavy to intense. There's been little change in the updated storm signals over Luzon. Signal number 2 is up over Cagayan, including the Calayan and Babuyan Islands, Isabela, Apayao, Kalinga, also Ilocos Norte, Abra, and Batanes. Expect gale force winds and storm surges in these areas. That means sea travel is risky. It also means you can expect to see uprooted trees, unroofed houses, especially those made of light materials. So be extra careful when outdoors because of possible debris. Signal number 1, meanwhile, is hoisted over Aurora, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Ifugao, Mountain Province, Benguet, La Union, and Ilocos Sur. We can expect winds of 30 to 60 kilometers per hour. Also, these areas are still at risk for possible floods and landslides, especially those in mountainous and low-lying areas, just like in areas under signal number 2. Let's now check some areas in Luzon as Helen approaches Cagayan. Heavy rains, of course, into Tuguegarao and nearby provinces. Occasional to frequent rains in the NCR. Areas of concern are Bulacan and Laguna, where floods from last week's monsoon rains have yet to recede. Let's get a bigger picture now of the rainfall tomorrow. The bulk of torrential rains, as you can see here, will be in the extreme north as expected, while rains over western sections down to central and southern Luzon will be light to moderate. This will be the case the whole day, although rains will be considerably lighter in the afternoon and evening, as you can see in this page. Now for Thursday, we're seeing better weather. Look at this scene here. No signs of precipitation, no signs of much precipitation over the whole country. Mostly in the morning, only light rains in western coastlines of Luzon. Some buildup of light to moderate rainfall in central and southern Luzon, extending to parts of the Bicol region in the afternoon. And we see rains easing up by evening of Thursday. And that's your weather. Always be informed and keep safe. Pia.
Thank you, Mai.